Hello, my dear students. Let us all stand for the prayer. May I request Mr. Dan to please lead the prayer. Amen. So, good morning, class. Please arrange your chairs properly and pick up pieces of paper. Okay, you may now take your seats. So, let us check your attendance. Please say present if your name is called. So, di ba I give you assignment last meeting to search what are the different kinds of common wire splices, right? Okay, please pass your assignments in front. Okay, class. Last meeting, di ba, we discussed about conductor. So, what is conductor? Oh, yes, Mr. Cruz. Very good. I believe each one of you class have knowledge about conductor based on what we have discussed last meeting. I want you all to cooperate because we will having a group activity. So, ang maka-perfect na i-price nako. So, dapat tarungon ninyo ha. So, group yourselves into two and arrange the scramble words or letter. So, number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Okay. So, for those who got perfect, I will give you a prize later after our class. So, before we start, we are going to unlock the following words. So, we have wire. So, what is wire? So, wire is a single, usually cylindrical or flexible strand or rod or metal. Wire are used to bear mechanical loads or electricity and telecommunication signals. Second, splice. So, ang splice is a union of two ropes or pieces of timber or similar materials spliced together at the ends. So, Our topic for today class is common electrical wire splices and joints. So, in electrical installation and maintenance, you should acquire the important knowledge and skills in wire splices and joints, and should be familiar with the actual application of every splice and joints. So, this will serve as your tool in performing actual wiring installation. So, of course, another factor is the knowledge in interpreting and analyzing the wiring diagram, especially if the circuit is complicated. So, these are the following common wire splices and joints. So, first we have rat tail or pigtail. So, this kind of joint is commonly used to join two or more conductors inside the junction box. It is suitable for service where there is no mechanical stress when wires are to be connected in an outlet box, switch, or conduit fitting. Kini siya nga splice is sagaraan na to siya makita sulod sa junction box, kay dira man nato siya i-connect i-splice ang atong mga connections for the safety. Second, we have Y-splice. So, this method of wrapping is generally used on small cables because the strands are flexible and all can be wrapped in one operation. So, kadalasan doon siya makita in mga small cables, kay ang kuana ni strand is mga pino and flexible and all can wrap in one operation. Number 3, we have knotted top. So, joint all the splices discussed up to this point are known as the butt splices. Each was made by joining the free ends of the conductors together. Sometimes, however, it is necessary to join branch conductor to continuous wire called the main wire. Such a junction is called top joint. So, kadalasan na siya is makita sa naay main wire. So, kung gusto ka mo kuha og kanang supply, so magamit ka ni na knotted top itong gamiton. Then ipot nimo dayog rolyuhan nimo og kanang electrical tape. So plain top joint. So this is used where the top wire is under considerable tensile stress circuit. So kini siya daw kadalasan makita is nasa mga stress circuit. And next we have aerial top. This is used as a temporary top, usually done in construction sites. The easy twist will facilitate top wire movement. Next is duplex cross joints. So this is two top wire torn simultaneously, and it's used where the two top wire is under heavy tensile stress. So number 7, Western Union or short tie splice. This is the most widely used splice or joint in interior wiring installation to extend the length of the wire from one point to another. So kini siya daw kadalasan nimo makita is kung ang wire nimo is na short, so magamit ka ni ng splice. Para sumpayan nimo ang imuhang wire para makaabot sa pikas junction box. Next is number 8, Western Union long tie splice. So this is used extensively for outside wiring to extend the length of wire from one end to another. So kini po daw siya is sagaraan siya na sinumpayan magamit sa gawas kay kung short imong wire gihapon. So kini siya na splice is mas lig-on ni siya compare sa Western Union short tie. Kay kining long tie manggod kay daghan iyang tuyok sa tunga, so mas lig-on siya, ang dili siya makuan ug mahagungan ba siya og kanang mga sanga, dira kay siya maputol og dali.
Next is cross joint.
The same application is done as in plain top, and the only difference is that this top is a combination of two plain tops placed side by side with each other. So bali kini siya na splice is like duha ka plain tops siya na gi kuan side by side gisumpay. So kadalasan ni siya magamit is when magkuha ka sa supply, which duha imong supplyan og live. So kinahanglan kag plain top para sa supply sa different junction box. So number 10, the last one is wrap top or T-joint. So this is used on large solid conductors where it is difficult to wrap the heavy top wire around the main wire. So kini siya daw kadalasan gigamit is sa mga solid wire. So like kuan, like sa mga PDX wire. So solid man ni siya na wire. So gamitan siya og wrap top T-joint. So okay class, why do we need to know the different common wire splices? Okay, yes. Very good. I have here the photo of different common wire splices. I will call your name and
identify what kind of splices.
this photo. Okay. Yes. Very good. Number 2. Yes. Very good. Number 3. Very good. Number 4. Okay, very good. And the last one. Yes, very good. So, let us all see if you really understood the lesson for today. So, what is our topic all about that we discussed this morning? Okay? Yes? Very good. So, what is the importance of knowing the different common wire splices? Yes? Very good. It is important class in knowing these splices, and each of you have skills in doing these common wire splices, because someday when you all become an electrician, or you have already know and you already know how to do these different wire splices. Understand? Good. So in a 1/4 sheet of paper, you need to define what kind of electrical common wire splices and joints in the picture shown. So and for your assignment is you need to bring the following tomorrow. So because we will having a actual demo to make the following common wire splices and joints. So first you have to bring the combination plier and long nose plier and 2 meters of solid wire or stranded wire. So that's all for today, class, and goodbye.